And we're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you how to use the cell noise function. You can use it to simply create noise for an image. I've got this as an example, but let me create an empty layer. First, I'll make it white. The color doesn't really matter. I'm going to call it noise, and I put it to the top. It's active. Now I go to filters, render, noise, and the first function is our cell noise. Check the preview and you can see the effect applied in real time. You can check this box and you'll have a pattern, and you can scale it up and down like this. Let us uncheck it. And if we go up, you can see we've got this typical noise effect. And if we go down, we've got more like a pattern. It looks like bacteria or like a blood sample. The shape, it affects basically the background, makes it lighter or darker. The rank, it blurs it a little bit. Let me go down with the scale and you can see it. And we can use iterations, but if we go up, it's going to take a lot of processing time as more and more details are added, so I'll keep it low. And we've also got the random seed right here. You can see it best when I go down with the scale again. So it's just a randomization effect. If you want to use it as actual noise, just crank up the scale. Make sure it's on top of the image, use a different blending mode, screen works for me, and then go down with the opacity. And you can use this noise effect for any image. But you can also use this cell noise to create pattern designs. Let me just create a new layer, and I re-show the cell noise. I'll go down with the scale. And I can check the box right here or uncheck it and have these patterns. And this is how you can use the cell noise in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.